Hi everyone, it's me, and I just got glitter everywhere because I'm being dumb again. Sorry about that, but hello, welcome back to Vlogger's Dream, and today we're going to be doing something with slime. So, got my bowl here and everything, and today we're actually going to be making my personal favorite slime. Well, not my favorite slime, but slime that I actually made before, and then it actually got stolen, sadly. So yeah, we're going to be making again, and I like to call it diamond slime. So what you're going to be need for this is clear glue. It actually has to be clear glue. Yes. This type of hand sanitizer, it has to be this type of hand sanitizer. Dazzling Diamond. It has to be Dazzling Diamond. I'm so sorry, but yes, that's one thing that stinks about it. And of course, let me go grab this big gallon thing here. Tide laundry detergent. So, what you're going to want to do first is, I'm actually going to roll up my sleeves so I don't get this on my nice sweatshirt. So what you're going to do first is obviously take the glue, pour it in there. So I got my glue in there. And the next step, take your Dazzling Diamond hand sanitizer. Or actually, it can just be clear hand sanitizer with sparkles are optional, but I like the sparkles to make it more. And just add 1 drop. Just add about that much. Go. Do not add, and I repeat, do not add food coloring to this, because otherwise it'll defeat the point of using clear glue and clear this stuff. So you're just going to mix that together, the glue and the hand sanitizer. And then after we do that, you're going to want to take your laundry detergent . I'm sorry, but I actually haven't used this yet, and I'm just going to straight pour it in, because I actually bought this separate so I can make slime. Oh. So you know how to do this, and for those of you who haven't made slime before, so it's probably not going to be many of you, add little bit at a time. The only way that you can pretty much mess this up is adding too much at once. So you do that, mix it together, and yes, I know that it's blue. Don't worry, the blue tintedness actually makes it look a lot cooler. Makes it look very cool. Trust me. You're probably like, that looks way too blue right now. Yeah, to some people it will, but to people like me, it won't. It'll be fine. Extremely messy, don't do what I just did. Now just add some more hand sanitizer. Just get another drop. Go. And you can get the hand sanitizer, any Bath and Body Works. You can get this at Toys R Us. And then you can get, of course, the laundry detergent at your local Walmart. Just gonna add a little bit more because this is really sticky. Sorry to get the cap on my tie. Just mix it all in. It looks like it's falling apart right now. Because it actually kind of is. When I made this before, I did it with someone. I'm sorry if you hear some background noise. My dog is whining. I like to scrape the sides so I get the most of my ingredients in slime. This actually looks really cool right now. I still gotta knead it. Hi. Hi. He just walked into my room. I'll wipe my hands off. And then I'm gonna add a little more glue because this is really liquidy right now. Just like a drop. Got it. You want it to be very, very small amount because it's too much. And what I really like about this slime, so I'm actually finished making it, it's all good now. But what I really like about this slime is in the light, just if it hits it just right, it makes it not translucent, obviously it's translucent right now. It's really cool. Oh no, sparkles are gonna get in. And we don't want sparkles with our translucent diamond slime. I just call it diamond slime because it looks kind of like, oh, there's a sparkle in it. I'm sorry, but this is like a pet peeve to me right now. Because these are little heart sparkles. We don't want little heart sparkles in here. Get off. But, if the light hits it just right, it's almost like a chrome, kind of, because, dude, these sparkles. I'm sorry. But, it's kind of like a chrome almost, because it turns, like, it's like a purple. It looks like a little purple. It's actually really cool. But, yeah, that's how you make translucent, sort of chrome, diamond slime. I really like this because oh my god, really sparkles? They're everywhere. It gets a, oh my god, these sparkles. Just get out. But yeah, anyways, that's how you make translucent And if you don't know what translucent means, I'm not gonna make you go Google it or whatever. But it means see-through, which most of you know that, but for anyone who doesn't, yeah, that's what translucent means. Think I got all the sparkles out. Oh my god, there's still one more. Oh my. Gotta clean up sparkles now. No. This is kind of sticky right now, but it's okay. I'll fix it a little later. Actually, if you don't want it to be sticky at all, but it's like not sticky at all right now, actually, just take some of your shaving cream. And this is optional, or you can just add extra laundry detergent, but I'm just going to add a dot of shaving cream. Only a dot. I strictly say this because otherwise the shaving cream is going to make it cloudy. See? Like, literally. That's actually probably too much. But you got to mix it in good so it won't turn it cloudy. And the clear glue and the hand sanitizer actually makes it really shiny. Yeah, mix it in good. It actually makes it kind of a lighter blue. Alright. So there we go, all good. And yeah. Gonna add a dot of hand sanitizer now. A bit more than a dot. It's okay. But yeah. That's how you make translucent, non-sticky, diamond sorta chrome slime. It's very cool. Love it. So yeah, I hope all you guys enjoyed this. This is the first video you've seen by me. Please consider subscribing, like, comment. Love you guys so much. Slime out.